we would like to write an equation for a line perpendicular to y equals negative 3x plus 1 and passing through the point negative 6, 0. Okay, so some key things to point out here. First off, perpendicular. It's going to be perpendicular to the given line. And then it's also passing through negative 6, 0. So if the line is perpendicular to the given line in the problem, then we need to use the slope of the given line and find the slope of our line we're looking for. And to do that, we would want to find the negative reciprocal of the given slope. So currently we have negative 3 as our slope. The negative reciprocal which is because we're doing perpendicular, we would want to find that, and that would be, okay, notice that negative 3 is equal, you would want to think of it as negative 3 over 1. So the reciprocal means we swap the numerator and denominator. But then the negative reciprocal means it's going to be the opposite sign. Since it's negative right now, it'll become positive. So this would be, okay, the reciprocal would then be 1/3, and it would be positive because it has to be the opposite sign. You could think of it as the opposite reciprocal. But negative reciprocal works too. So anyways, so our slope, this is our new slope, m, and the standard form is y equals mx plus b. So we have the slope now. And we also have a point on the line. So let's use this information. We have y equals 1/3 x plus b, and we want to solve for b. And we know that x, we're going to use, we're going to sub x equals negative 6 and y equals 0 in, and so we can solve for b. So that would be 0 equals 1/3 x, which is negative 6, plus b. And now we can solve for b. Okay, so okay, wait, 0 equals 1/3 times negative 6, which that equals negative 2, because it's essentially negative 6 divided by 3, plus b, and then we can solve for b, which is by adding 2 on both sides, so b equals 2. All right, so we have our slope, m, and our y-intercept, b, and we can now find our function, which would then be 1/3 x plus 2. All right, so hopefully this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions about this problem, and I'm more than happy to help.